Good morning, it's Hiker Dude Dad. It is the second week of March. The weather is starting to break, and today is my birthday. Let's go do exactly what I want to do on my birthday. I hope you like it too. Let's go. If you're a fan of the channel and you know me well, you know my two favorite things are overlooks and waterfalls. So I tried to find a place that was relatively close to home that I could find both. We're here at Chestnut Grove Natural Area. We've been here before. Last time I was here was with my beautiful wife. I'll link that above. I'm on the Blue Trail. I'm headed up to Star Rock Overlook, one of my favorites on the Susquehanna. Then I'm gonna jump down to Mann Run, get my waterfall fix. All right, here we are at Star Rock. Probably the most underrated overlook here on the Susquehanna. I figure right now might be one of the last times to come here when all the vegetation is, you know, not blocking the view or anything like that. Looks like they took a tree out over here on the south side just to open up the view a little bit, which is awesome. This is what I need today. Across the way is Cuffs Run. I filmed there, but you can see where the two sides of the canyon go down. Cuffs Run flows into the Susquehanna there. I'll link those videos above, but yeah, we filmed there a couple times, and you know, for now, best you can hope for is that all is quiet over there. Last year was pretty wonderful. It was my 50th birthday. My wife planned this awesome collaboration. It was soaking wet, it poured on us, but it was so much fun. I'll link that above. This year, you know, 51, nothing too special. She works this week, so she's hopefully asleep by now. The kids are in school. We'll celebrate for, you know, 20 minutes tonight until my daughter goes to volleyball and my son and I go to lacrosse. There's no other way I'd want to spend my birthday. Just doing stuff with the kids, family, having some time alone today in nature on a beautiful freaking day. It is amazing. It's about 45 right now, but it's going up to 70 something today. I'm in no rush today. I'm just gonna relax and have fun, enjoy this spectacular view, and then go find a waterfall. Couple cool things to look at south. Down here is Fisherman's Run. And just like Mann Run, it has one of those spouts that kind of take it over the railroad tracks. So the whole time you're up here, you kind of hear this waterfall, but it's hard to see unless you come down to the south side here. So zooming in the distance here, and there's going to be a tree in my way, but stretching across the river is Safe Harbor Dam. So we're just south of Turkey Hill, just north of Safe Harbor Dam. So the overlook here, surrounded by these soft pines, some young trees here. Right next to it is the thorniest patch of stuff I've ever seen, but I'm always fascinated by the trees that are out here on the overlook. Look at this guy. The wind all the time. That's why the Turkey Hill turbines are right up there. The wind coming down the river. This tree is gotta be 100 feet high. It goes the whole way down. But through the course of its whole life has been blowing against the wind and being shaped by it. This big old tree too only has branches coming off this way. It's been shaped by the wind, forces pushing against it over the course of its whole entire life. There's got to be an analogy in there somewhere about a 51st birthday. Ah, it's beautiful up here. Been here for about an hour and I just don't want to leave. Always mystified by this carving down here. This must have taken a long time to carve in this, but HBB 1130 ML over here on the side, maybe 1130 like November 30th or November of 1930. I don't know. Anybody have any idea? Please comment below. I'd love to solve a mystery on my birthday. All right, time to leave Star Rock and head down the Mann Run. We had the views here. Time to go see a waterfall. Let's go. So from Star Rock, you just take the blue trail down here, just hit the switchback. It's deceptively steep, but it's going downhill and just brings you right down to the river. The Enola low-grade trail is right here, so we'll just walk along that for just a little bit, and Mann Run should be over there. If you are making a rock album cover, this would be a tough choice here. These rocks as your background, or somehow get down to the railroad tracks and just have the tracks going off in the distance and have the band standing in front of the tracks looking nonchalant off into the distance. Tough choice, man, if you're gonna cut that album anytime soon. So Mann Run has its chute over the railroad tracks and out into the river. But back here, often hidden from the Enola low-grade trail, are the waterfalls. So we jump down in here, and as always, watch out for the trap door. That takes the water down a level. But then you can walk out this way. Sometimes when the water level's up, you know, you don't want to go down the old trap door. So Just gonna carefully head out here, and then we'll walk up the falls. Back in the meadows here at Chestnut Grove. Mann's run was awesome, as always. Super underrated. Now I'm just kind of walking back to the car. I'm gonna go through the wetlands here and check out the pond at Chestnut Grove. There was a small pond over on the far side. It's not even on the map, so maybe like a vernal pond, but was just busting with frog noise. I wasn't going that way. I wanted to get back to the car, but I'm hoping that this pond also maybe has a lot of frogs. I'm at home putting my water bladder away in the garage fridge, and I don't think I was supposed to see this chocolate peanut butter beauty. All right, we're out at the park now as a pre-birthday present to myself. Got these new mitts because that's what back-to-back champs wear. Got the coach whistle on, and I also dyed a lacrosse head for myself. So we got our Mannheim Township with the logo. Let's go. I got to get this thing throwing right. I can pass pretty well, but shots have been challenging, so I throw a couple of shooters in and we'll see what we've got. Very frustrating. It looks great, but I can't get it to throw down. Oh, hey now. Okay. A lot better right there. Just gotta get dialed in. I tightened up that bottom shooter, so hopefully we'll be good. Be able to shoot on the boys tonight. All right, birthday feast is steak and cake. Giddy up.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Dad. Happy birthday to you.
Thank you very much.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Dad.